Welcome to Boracay! Woo!
Welcome to Boracay. This beautiful island is known all over the world for its powdery white sand and crystal clear waters. Truly a world-class beach destination. But of course, when you're in paradise, you deserve the perfect place to stay. Not just any place, but a place you can call home in Boracay. That's why I'm so excited to introduce to you Fera Premier and Fera Hotel and Garden Suites Boracay, located at Bulabog, Balabac, Malay Aklan, Philippines. Both hotels are highly rated and loved by many guests. And for good reason, their warm hospitality and stylish rooms makes them stand out.
Welcome to Fera Hotel Boracay.
So in this video, let's explore both hotels together. Check out their different room types and give you some ideas for your next Boracay getaway with your family, friends, or your special someone. Unahin natin dito sa Fera Premier with their 1-bedroom loft. Perfect ito for 3 persons at pwede hanggang maximum of 4. Pagpasok mo pa lang, bubungad sa'yo ang maluwag na living area with flat screen TV, refrigerator, microwave, at 2 aircon. Meron din silang spacious work desk. Swak na swak kung kailangan mo mag-work from home kahit nasa Boracay ka. A comfy sofa na perfect pampahinga after a long day sa beach. Check naman natin ang bathroom. Very spacious, neat at kompleto na may toiletries at fresh towels. Dito naman sa minibar area, may kettle, cups, complimentary water, coffee, tea, at sarili pang itong sink para super convenient. Ngayon, akyat naman tayo sa taas. Dito makikita ang queen size bed at isa pang flat screen TV. Perfect spot para mag-relax. At syempre, andito rin ang top view ng living area mula sa loft. Ang ganda ng design, very homey, and stylish. Next, check naman natin ang superior twin room. Good for 3 persons din ito at pwede hanggang maximum of 4. Meron itong 2 double beds, kaya swak na swak for barkada trips or family getaway. Meron ding mini desk, aircon, flat screen TV, at cabinet para sa gamit nyo. Also meron ding kettle, cups, complimentary water, coffee, tea, and mini ref. At syempre, nandito ang toilet at bathroom area na malinis, spacious, at kompleto na with toiletries at fresh towels. Simple pero very comfortable. Perfect for your Boracay stay. Next on our list, ang 1-bedroom suite. This one is extra special kasi ito mismo ang naging room accommodation namin dito sa Fera Premier. Pero para sa complete room tour, make sure to watch our full video dito sa channel na ito. Don't miss it. Ngayon naman, let's proceed to Fera Hotel and Garden Suite. Pagpasok mo pa lang, mararamdaman mo agad ang nature vibes at very cozy ambience. At syempre, sasalubungin ka ng kanilang warm at super accommodating staff na talagang magpapafeel sa'yo na at home ka.
Welcome to Fera Hotel Boracay.
First on our list dito sa Fera Hotel and Garden Suite is the corner suite room. Perfect na perfect for couples. Pagpasok mo pa lang, bubungad agad ang cool ambience with a stylish at cozy living area. Meron pang 2 flat screen TVs sa bedroom for extra comfort and entertainment. Meron din silang sungka, isang traditional Filipino count and capture game. Nice touch para sa bonding moments. Complete din ang minibar with refrigerator at may big cabinet na may kasamang bathrobes at hairdryer. Tara, check naman natin ang bathroom and toilet area. Super spacious, neat, at fully equipped with toiletries and fresh towels. Talagang perfect combination of style, comfort, and a touch of Filipino culture. After nating ma-feature ang iba't ibang rooms ng parehong hotels, punta naman tayo sa kanilang swimming pool area. Dito sa Fera Premier, makikita nyo ang kanilang relaxing swimming pool na perfect for refreshing dip after exploring Boracay. Pool hours are from 8 AM hanggang 9 PM. Kaya may oras ka whether gusto mo mag-swimming sa umaga or mag-night dip sa gabi. Ngayon naman, punta tayo sa Fera Hotel and Garden Suite sa kanilang rooftop na tinatawag na The Deep Pool Bar and Grill. Kung gusto mo mag-chill, makinig ng good music, at uminom ng cocktail drinks, this spot is just perfect. Relaxing vibes with a great view of Boracay. At syempre, nandito rin ang kanilang swimming pool. Ideal for refreshing dip habang nag-i-enjoy sa rooftop atmosphere. And that wraps up our tour of Fera Premier and Fera Hotel and Garden Suite Boracay. Both hotels truly live up to their high ratings. From their spacious and stylish rooms, to their amenities, pools, and warm hospitality, talagang mararamdaman mo na hindi lang ito basta accommodation, kundi a home in Boracay. So kung plano nyo na ang inyong next Boracay getaway with family, friends, or your special someone, make sure to consider staying here. For bookings and reservation, you may email them at or simply like and follow their Facebook pages. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa tour na ito. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para sa mas marami pang travel vlogs. Kita kits, always stay safe, and God bless. See you on the next trip. Bye!